solve, 6 cos squared x minus cos x minus 1 is equal to 0 between 0 and 360. Okay, this is a quadratic in the variable cos x, so we solve it as like a quadratic. So solving quadratics we normally factorize. So first of all we find the product, which we do 6 times minus 1 to get minus 6, and then we take the middle term, we'll call that the sum, we're going to call that minus 1, that's the number in front of the cos x. Then we ask ourselves, what two numbers multiplied together get minus 6, and you add the same two numbers, you get minus 1. And these are called factors, which we can call minus 3 and 2. We then take the quadratic and split the middle term up into minus 3 cos x plus 2 cos x, which you can see in green there. So we now have 6 cos squared x minus 3 cos x plus 2 cos x minus 1. Now we look for factorize by grouping these two terms together. So we get 3 cos x brackets 2 cos x minus 1. And here, for these two terms, there isn't a common factor, so we'll just put a bracket around them. Now some people now like to put a 1 in front of this bracket here. Here we can see we have this number and this, and we can take these out as a common factor. So we have 3 cos x plus 1 brackets 2 cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. And then we say either 3 cos x plus 1 is equal to 0 or 2 cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. So either 3 cos x plus 1 is equal to 0, which means that 3 cos x is equal to minus 1. Cos x is equal to minus 1/3. We then ignore the minus sign and do cos to the minus 1 of 1/3 and get 70.5. We want to know where cosine is negative. So we look in the second and the third quadrants. We draw our axis in with the x-axis. Okay, so we make our angle with the x-axis, 70.5, 70.5, and then we say that x is going to be 180 minus 70.5. We're solving between 0 and 360, and 180 plus 70.5. We get the answers 109.5 or 250.5. Or 2 cos x minus 1 is equal to 0, which means that 2 cos x is equal to 1, cos x is equal to 1/2, and we can say that cos to the minus 1 of 1/2 is 60. Okay, so South Asian Tennis Club, so we want to know where cos is positive, so it's in the first and the second, because we'll find the cos of a positive number. Make our angle with the x-axis in those two quadrants. So we get that that's 60, and that is 60, and we're solving between 0 and 360, so it's going to be 60 or 360 minus 60, so it's going to give me 60 or 300 degrees. Finally, we write out all the solutions in order. So we get 60, 109.5, 250.5 or 300.